Hi, and welcome to Flower Budget's Case Study Fridays. Today, we're meeting Tyler, a young man who found himself struggling with debt and feeling overwhelmed by his financial situation. For a while, it seemed like no matter how hard he worked, he couldn't get ahead. Monthly payments were piling up, credit card balances continued growing, and financial stress was beginning to affect his confidence and future plans. Tyler knew something had to change. Instead of avoiding his finances, he decided to face them head on and create a plan for rebuilding his future. The first thing Tyler did was take a complete inventory of his debt. While it wasn't easy, seeing the numbers clearly helped him understand exactly what he was working with. Then he adopted the flower budgets method: 60% for bills and fixed expenses, 20% for variable expenses and cash budgeting, 20% for savings and debt goals. Rather than spending money without a plan, Tyler began giving every dollar a purpose. He created a realistic budget. He reduced unnecessary spending. He stopped adding new debt whenever possible. Most importantly, he committed to making consistent payments toward his balances. At first, progress felt slow, but month after month, Tyler began seeing results. His balances started decreasing. His confidence started growing, and the financial stress that once controlled his life began losing its power. Tyler also learned an important lesson. Debt doesn't define your future. The decisions you make moving forward do. By staying focused on his goals and celebrating small victories along the way, Tyler began rebuilding not only his finances but also his belief in what was possible. If you're currently working to pay off debt, let Tyler's story remind you that change is possible. Every payment, every smart decision, and every step forward brings you closer to financial freedom. Thank you for joining me for today's Case Study Fridays episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is working to rebuild their financial future. And remember, small steps, big blossoms.